Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Talk. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet bookmark designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet bookmark design is a handmade bookmark created with yarn and a crochet hook, designed to mark your place in a book while adding a decorative personal touch. Common types of crochet bookmark designs. First, lace bookmarks, thin, delicate patterns with open stitches, often inspired by vintage lace. Perfect if you love a classic or cottage style look. Next, floral bookmarks, bookmarks decorated with crocheted flowers, leaves, or vines. This feels charming and dramatic. Corner bookmarks, small triangular bookmarks that fit over the corner of a page. Cute and practical. Tassel bookmarks, simple crochet stripes finished with tassels or beads for extra detail. Character or themed bookmarks, fun shapes like hearts, butterflies, animals, or tiny books, great for gifts. Why people love crochet bookmarks? Quick project, often finished in under an hour. Beginner friendly, many simple patterns use basic stitches. Great for leftover yarn, perfect as blaster. Thoughtful handmade gift, lovely for readers, teachers, or friends. For beautiful decor, can double as decorative accents in journals or planners. Popular design styles. If you like vintage-inspired aesthetic, try Victorian lace bookmark, grandma core floral design, countess core daisy bookmark, rustic linen look bookmark, antique-inspired fillet crochet patterns. Basic materials needed: cotton crochet thread or lightweight yarn. Use crochet hook usually 1.5 to 3 mm. Small scissors, yarn needle, optional beads, ribbons, or tassels. Crochet bookmarks are tiny but beautiful projects, perfect for adding handmade charm to everyday reading. Crochet bookmarks are usually one of the easiest and most creative small crochet projects. You can make them simple or very decorative, depending on your style. Here is a deeper look with useful tips, ideas, and design guidance. A crochet bookmark is a thin, flat handmade stripe or shape made with yarn and crochet stitches. It is placed inside books to mark pages, but many people also use it for journals and planners. Gifts, accessories, and home decor accents. They are popular because they combine function and beauty and handmade charm. Important crochet bookmark styles. First, lace vintage bookmark. Uses fine thread and small stitches. Looks like antique lace. Perfect for vintage cottage decor lovers. Next, floral vine bookmark. Small flowers connected in a line. Can include leaves and buds. Very elegant and romantic. Straight stripe bookmark. Simple rectangle shape. Easy beginner design. Can be pictured with different stitches. Next, corner bookmark. Triangle style. Fits on books' corners. Very practical and modern. Often shaped like hearts or animals too. Decorative theme bookmark. Butterfly, heart, star, or feather shapes. More artistic and gift-friendly. Helpful tips for crochet bookmark making. Choose the right yarn. Best, cotton thread or fine yarn. Avoid thick yarn, it makes bookmarks bulky. Light yarn gives a clean, elegant look. Keep stitches tight and even. Loose stitches make the bookmark lose shape. Tight stitches help it stay flat in books. Use simple color combinations for a beautiful aesthetic. White plus beige for vintage look, pastel pink plus cream for cottage feel, light green plus white for natural style. Add small decorations carefully. You can enhance bookmarks with tiny crochet flowers, beads, only small ones, lace edging, and ribbon tassels. Keep size balanced. Ideal size length 12 to 20 cm, wide 2 to 5 cm. Too big, equal, uncomfortable in books. Locking improves final look. After finishing, lightly weight the bookmark, shape it flat, let it dry. This makes it look neat and professional. Great for selling or gifting. You can bundle 3 to 5 bookmarks in a set. Seasonal sets like spring flowers and winter snowflakes, or personalized name bookmarks. Creative ideas, unique and beautiful. Daisy chain bookmark. Use book plus flower combo design. Use minimal Scandinavian line bookmark. Use grandmother lace bookmark or mini garden vine bookmark. Use mercerized cotton for a polished look. Mercerized cotton has a slight shine, a strong structure, lace fuzziness. This makes bookmarks look neat and store-bought quality. Maintain straight-edged. Bookmark easily become wavy. Intention changes. Try this. Check your stitch count every few rows. Use stitch markers on both sides. Keep the same hand pressure throughout. Add a thin border for stability. Even simple bookmarks look better when adding single crochet border equal clean finish, peacock edged equal decorative vintage style, shell border equal elegant cottage frill. Plan color placement before starting. Sketch simple layout first. Decide where flowers, stripes, or lace go. Stick to 2 to 3 colors max for elegance. Hide yarn ends properly. Loose ends ruin the look. Best method: weave through stitches in 2 to 3 directions. Avoid cutting too close. Use a yarn needle for neat finishing. Focus on lightweight design. A bookmark should be thin, flexible, not bulky in the book pages. Avoid heavy beads or thick yarn. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!